Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. I feel like it's been so long since I last recorded and did a video, but here we are. So anyways, I hope you guys have been doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be getting ready and showcasing some pieces because this video is sponsored by STYLEVANA. Thank you for STYLEVANA for sponsoring today's video. It's great to work with them. So in case you don't know who is STYLEVANA, they are your one-stop shop for all your Asian beauty needs. So if you are in an area that's so hard to find like certain like K-beauty brands, whether it's skincare or makeup, STYLEVANA is once again your one-stop shop and everything is at an affordable price. So recently STYLEVANA decided to do these kits and the kits are different every month. So in February's kit, it is a little different compared to last month. So this will be a mix of skincare and a bit of makeup. So you guys will see it again later on in the video. So the kits cater to your skin type, whether you're combo, dry or oily, and they combine products from like their best sellers or new releases. And because it is a kit, all the products are at a really affordable price point. And also if you do get the kit, it is automatically qualified for free shipping. And another thing is that when you get the kit, it is a lot more affordable than getting the products one by one. So why not save a little bit more money there? They always have running deals and low shipping costs. But if you do get the kit, you'll automatically apply for free shipping anyways. And also I do have a discount code for you guys if you do want some extra discount off the kits already or anything else that's on the website. So the discount code is right here and I'll leave it down in the description box below along with the information for this month's kit. So if you guys are interested in it or anything else that's on the STYLEVANA website, go check them out and don't forget to use the discount code for a further discount. So again, thank you for STYLEVANA for sponsoring today's video. So before we actually get started with the video and showing you guys the products and everything like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up if you love STYLEVANA or any of the products that are showcased in the video, and don't forget to follow me on my social media handle right there, which is just my Instagram, and let's get started with the video. Alright, so I already cleansed my face, so now we are going to do a mask. This is the Innisfree Real Rose Calming Mask, and this contains real rose to treat chronic skin irritation. This has a gel-like texture, and this is great for dry, sensitive skin due to irritation from environmental factors such as fine dust and unbalanced skin with weakened skin barrier and hydration. So now it's time for toner, and this is the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Toner. This is fermented with black rice to provide a boost of antioxidants. This helps protect from free radicals including UV radiation and pollution. This also encourages cell turnover, so this toner will help skin become firmer and more nourished. Now it's time to get my hair out of the way, and I'm using the headband from I Do Care, and of course this is a little tiara, make myself feel a bit like a princess. Moving on to moisturizer, this is the Skin 1004, the Madagascar Scintilla Soothing Cream. This is a gel-like texture. The moisturizer helps to strengthen and maintain skin barrier, and it contains 3 actual lipid components of the epidermis layer to help repair the skin barrier. Of course, we can't forget about sunscreen. This is the Tokobo Cotton Soft Sun Stick with SPF 50+, PA+++++. This is cruelty and vegan free. There's no sticky residue and it has a matte finish. This helps moisturize and calms the skin while controlling excess sebum. So it's now time for mascara, and as you guys all know, I have a very tough time with mascaras, but this one's actually a good one. So this is the Misha 4D mascara. This is a volumizing mascara, and this has a square shaped brush. This doesn't cause any smudging, has waterproof coat, and also what I like about this as well is that it actually holds a curl. So of course we need a bit of color. This is the Piri Pura Ink the Velvet in number 7 Girlish Red. This is a velvety tint formula. This is great if you want a gradient lip look, or you can also use it as a full lip color as well. This is highly pigmented and rich in hydrating ingredients to make the lips look plump all day. It is also infused with jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, and marine collagen to moisturize and hydrate dry lips. So we need to make the eyes pop a little bit, and I'm going in with the Unleashy. This is in number 1 Olive Glitter. This is an all-in-one eyeshadow palette for daily looks. They're fabulous or for shimmery and glittery looks. So if you guys ever want like a pop of sparkle, a little bit of glitter to your look, this is absolutely great. They are quite sheer, but you can layer this if you want a more glittery effect. And this is the final look right here. I know it kind of looks like my regular face. However, the skincare really helped hydrate my face a lot. It looked a lot plumper, hydrated. Look at this glow. And I really like the mascara too. It actually held the curl really nicely. So I really do like this month's kit. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out the description box below. And don't forget to use the discount code if you want a further discount. So anyways, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's short and sweet. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!